subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you will never miss any video updation from Sairam IAS. And join the official Telegram channel of Sairam IAS for PDF updation. Hello and welcome to Sairam IAS. This will be fifth video of our OPSC prelims question discussion. So far we have done our polity, environment, economics and geography question. With the today video, we'll try to analysis history question. So let's begin our discussion. First question says that question number 15. What was the capital of वत्स महाजनपद? हमने एंशिएंट हिस्ट्री में 16 महाजनपद पढ़ा था, जिसके अंदर हमने देखा था कि उज्जैन जो है उज्जैन वाज कैपिटल ऑफ अवंती एंड राजघाट तो नहीं, राजगीर जो था वो कैपिटल था किसका? मगधा का. राजगीर वाज कैपिटल ऑफ मगधा एंड कौसंबी वाज कैपिटल ऑफ वत्स. सो द करेक्ट आंसर विल बी बी. Question number 16. Which of the following source indicate that Mauryan ruler Brihadrat was assassinated by Pushyamitra? Here, the correct answer will be D. Harsacharita. Question number 17. Who among the following Gupta rulers was first to bear higher political title Maharajadhiraja? So the correct answer will be Chandragupta first. He was the first to be called Maharajadhiraja. So the answer will be B. Question number 18. Who overthrew the Rashtrakutas in 1973 AD? So Tailarpa II of Western Chalukya who overthrew the Rashtrakuta in 1973 AD. So the correct answer will be A. Next, move to the next question. Question number 35. Which of the following human races has woolly hairs? हमें पता है 4 races of the world है. 4 races of the world. First is Negroids, the people of African. Mongoloid, the people of Chinese and Japanese, or Mongoloid you can say. Proto-Australoid, people from Australia. And Caucasoid, people of Asia. So your woolly hairs वाला कौन से होंगे? नेग्रोइड पीपल है. ये जो नेग्रोइड अफ्रीकन पीपल है, ब्राउन स्किन वाले, ये कौन होंगे? नेग्रोइड पीपल. सो द करेक्ट आंसर विल बी ए. Here you can say नेग्रोइड पीपल predominantly long, low height, brown, black, light color and woolly. So you can see image here. Question number 19. Which of the following Mughal source was translated into Persian by Painda Khan? As you know, Babarnama, the another name of Babarnama is Tujuki Babri. So the correct answer will be A. Babarnama. Question number 20. Who was author of Tariq-e-Daudi? Tariq-e-Daudi was written by Abdullah in 983 AD. So the correct answer will be B. Question number 21. Who had prepared proclamation known as Mahjar, or you can say Mahjar Nama, issued in September 1579 AD? So the correct answer will be C. Sheikh Mubarak. The proclamation of Mahjar means, or you can say infallibility decree, to take all religious matter into his own hand. जितने भी रिलीजियस मैटर है वो अपने हैंड में लेने के लिए क्या इशू किया था? महजरनामा इशू किया था. सो द करेक्ट आंसर विल बी सी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 20. व्हाट वाज द टर्म यूज्ड फॉर रिलीजियस ऑफिसर इन मुगल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन? शेयर ऑप्शन सी एंड डी तो नहीं है यहाँ, बट यहाँ पे कंफ्यूज है ए और बी में. मीर समान और यू कैन से खान ई समान, जिसका मेन फंक्शन है मेंटेनिंग द रिकॉर्ड ऑफ स्टोर, कारखाना एंड ऑर्डर. सो ये तो नहीं है. ए. बी में डाउट है थोड़ा सा. बी तो ये कह रहा कि ये फॉरेन अफेयर से रिलेटेड देखते हैं, तो ये रिलीजियस अफेयर तो नहीं है. अब कंफ्यूज है कि ए और बी में कौन सा आंसर। तो देखते हैं ऑफिशियल आंसर क्या आता है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग फिर आपको जाना पड़ेगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 23, ब्रिटिश कंक्लूडेड ट्रीटी ऑफ सूरत इन 1775 विद ऑप्शन ए नारायण राव, ऑप्शन बी माधव राव, ऑप्शन सी रघुनाथ राव एंड डी विनायक राव। हमें पता है 1772 और से लेकर 1782 उस टाइम द फर्स्ट गवर्नर जनरल वाज ऑफ बंगाल वाज वारेन हेस्टिंग, और इसी टाइम ब्रिटिश और जो इंडिया में हमारे जो प्रिंसली स्टेट है इनके बीच में कन्फ्लिक्ट चल रहा था। तो 7 मार्च 1775 को ट्रीटी ऑफ सूरत साइन हुआ था रघुनाथ राव के साथ। एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू द ट्रीटी ऑफ सूरत, रघुनाथ राव ऑफ पेशवा agreed to cede Salsit and Bashin fought to the English, that means Britishers. So the correct answer will be C. Question number 24, which of the following land revenue settlement was first to have concluded with village community? हमें पता है 19th century में, in 19th century the company official were convinced that the system of revenue had to be changed. Why? The revenue cannot be fixed permanently. इसको permanently fix नहीं किया जा सकता. At such time when the company needed more money to meet its expenses of administration and trade. कंपनी के एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन और ट्रेड को संभालने के लिए कंपनी को बहुत ज़्यादा पैसे जो की जरूरत थी. So in 1822 there is an Englishman, or you can say British man, the person called as Holt Mackenzie. So Holt Mackenzie devised the new system known as Mahalwari system in the northwest province of Bengal provinces. Northwest province of Bengal presidency. Most of this area now is Uttar Pradesh. And under this Mahalwari system, the land revenue was collected from the farmers by the village headman. By the village headman. On behalf of the whole village and not by the, here important term, not by the zamindar. And the entire village was converted into the bigger unit called mahal and was treated as one unit of payment of land revenue. कि इस विलेज कम्युनिटी को पूरा महल बना दिया, इसको कहा गया महल, और इस महल से जो भी लैंड रेवेन्यू कनेक्ट किया जाएगा उसको कहते हैं महलवार सेटलमेंट. द रेवेन्यू अंडर महलवार सिस्टम वाज टू बी रिवाइज्ड पीरियडिकली एंड नॉट फिक्स्ड परमानेंटली. इसको पीरियडिकली रिव्यू किया जाएगा, कलेक्ट किया जाएगा, ना ही परमानेंटली. दिस सिस्टम पॉपुलराइज्ड बाय लॉर्ड विलियम बेंटिक. ये बाद में लॉर्ड विलियम बेंटिक ने पॉपुलराइज किया. कहाँ कहाँ? आगरा, अवध, एंड वाज लेटर एक्सपेंडेड इनटू एमपी, मध्य प्रदेश, and Punjab as well. So here the correct answer will be Mahalwari system. Question number 25 says that what was the title of first newspaper published by James August Hickey? ये हमने कितनी बार स्पेक्ट्रम में हमने डिस्कस किया है. Hickey Bengal Gazette was first English language paper published on Indian subcontinent. It was founded in Calcutta, that time the capital of British था at the time, by Irishman James August Hickey in 1979. So the answer will be Bengal Gazette. Question number 26. Who compared the short march of Gandhi to Napoleon's march to Paris on his return from Elba? Here the correct answer will be B, that is Subhash Chandra Bose. Question number 27. Who founded the Deccan Education Society? As you know, Deccan Education Society was established in 1884 by Gopal Ganesh Agarkar. and Lokmanya Tilak. So Gopal Ganesh Agarkar and Lokmanya Tilak, both not in the option. So you can eliminate, you can eliminate, you can eliminate. And the answer will be here D. Last question. Question number 28. Who was the chairman of first Famine Commission in 1880? The Great Famine of 1876 and 1876 and 1878. That time, the Viceroy of India was Lord Lytton. Lord Lytton appointed a commission under Richard Strachey. To formulate a general principle and suggested particular measure of a preventive or protective character. The Commission recommended the adoption of certain basis principles. And the Great Famine of 1876 and 1878 was perhaps the most grievous calamities experienced since the beginning of 19th century. It is affected some state of India like Madras, Bombay, UP, and Punjab as well. And about 5 million people perished in a single year. So the government made half-hearted efforts to help the famine stricken. So the government famine machinery was inadequate and ineffective. Inadequate and ineffective. And the unwise policy was employed here. So in 1880, that time the Viceroy of India was Lord Lytton. He appointed a commission, that is called Richard Commission, to look into the matter of famine related issue. So here the correct answer will be Sir Richard Strachey. So इस वीडियो में हम इतनी डिस्कस करेंगे. थैंक यू सो मच.